Hi everyone, guess what? Today I'm going to show you my house. I am so excited for you to see it. Come on in.
Hi, my name is Sarah. It's so nice to meet you. Are you ready to explore my whole house? Oh, it's going to be so much fun. Let's go. Okay, first, let's learn about all the rooms in my house. Listen really close and say the words with me. Are you ready?
Wow, look at all the pretty flowers. This is my garden. Let's say it 3 times together. Garden, garden, garden. In Arabic, we say hadika. Now it's your turn. Can you say garden?
Come on inside. This is our cozy living room. Say it with me now. Living room, living room, living room. That means غرفة معيشة. You're doing great.
I smell something yummy. We must be in the kitchen. Let's say it together. Kitchen, kitchen, kitchen. And that is a matbach. Great job.
And over here, this is the bathroom. Let's practice saying it. Bathroom, bathroom, bathroom. In Arabic, it's hammam. Say it with me.
And this is my favorite room of all. It's my bedroom. Let's say it nice and slow. Bedroom, bedroom, bedroom. That means غرفة نوم. You're doing amazing!
Okay, now it's time for a super fun game. My little teddy bear, Ted, is hiding somewhere in the house. Let's be detectives and find him together. Okay, detectives, the big question is, where's Ted? Ain't Ted? Let's start looking for some clues to find our fluffy friend.
Let's look in the bedroom first. Is he here? Nope, he isn't in the bedroom. That means إنه ليس في غرفة نوم. Let's keep looking. Let's check outside in the garden. Do you see him? No, he isn't in the garden. إنه ليس في الحديقة. Where could he be hiding?
Okay, let's check the living room now. Look really close. Nope, he isn't in the living room. إنه ليس في غرفة المعيشة. We can't give up. We have to find him.
What about the bathroom? Is Ted in here? No, he isn't in the bathroom. إنه ليس في الحمام. We are getting closer. I can just feel it.
Oh, wait, I know. To find Ted, we need to learn 2 new special words. Look at this little mouse. Here, the mouse is in the box. In means fi. Now look here. The mouse is on the box. On means ala. Did you get it? In and on. Look, I see him. Over there. He is in the kitchen. He was taking a nap on the chair. We found him. Yay! إنه في المطبخ. We are the best detectives ever. You are such a good detective. That was amazing. Now that we found Ted, let's learn a new letter together. Are you ready for this? This is the letter F. It makes the f sound. Can you try? F. F is for fish. Let's say it together. F, fish. And fish in Arabic is samaka. Good job. Let's play another game. Look at this big apple tree. Some of the apples have the letter F on them. Can you find all the apples with the letter F? Yes, there's one. Point to it. And another. Wow, you found them all. You are so smart. You have learned so much today. You are fantastic. Before we go, let's quickly remember all the rooms we saw in my house, okay? All right, first question. What's this room? Do you remember? Yes, it's the garden. Ahsant. And this one? The one with the super comfy sofa? It's the living room. Excellent.
What about this room where we found Ted?
You got it, the kitchen. رائع. Do you remember this room? The one where you wash your hands? That's right, the bathroom. And for the last one, what about this cozy room for sleeping? It's the bedroom.
You are a superstar. You remembered every single one.
You were absolutely amazing today. You learned so many new words. I had so much fun playing with you. I can't wait to see you next time. Goodbye.